In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Google Ads account. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google Ads account and that you have the necessary permissions. If you manage multiple accounts or use an agency account, double-check you're in the right place to avoid cancelling the wrong one. Also, consider whether you want to fully cancel the account or simply pause your campaigns. Pausing stops your ads from serving, but keeps everything intact for quick reactivation. Let's get started. First, go to your Google Ads account by opening your browser and signing in at the usual Google Ads site. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the admin section. Depending on your layout, you'll find it in the left-hand menu or via the Tools and Settings menu. Click Admin to open your account-level controls. Next, select Account Settings. This area contains key controls for your account, including billing preferences, access, and status. Take a moment here to be sure you're working on the right account. The account name and customer ID will appear at the top of the page. Now, open Account Status. This is where you can manage whether the account is active or closed. You'll see an option labeled Cancel My Account. If you're confident you want to proceed, click Cancel My Account. You may be asked to confirm your choice or give a brief reason. Review any notes that appear on the screen. Google will typically summarize what happens next, such as stopping all ads and finalizing any outstanding charges or credits. A few important points to keep in mind. Canceling your account will stop your ads from serving and you won't accrue new costs. However, a final bill may process for any clicks or impressions that occurred before cancellation. If there's a remaining credit, it will be returned to your primary payment method according to Google's refund policies. Your historical data will remain available for a time, so you can still review past performance after cancellation. If you think you may return later, know that in many cases you can reactivate the account by signing back in and following the prompts to resume service. Before you cancel, it's a good idea to note any key metrics or export the reports you care about, especially if you'll need them for bookkeeping or performance reviews. And again, if your goal is only to stop ads temporarily, pausing campaigns can be a simpler option than full cancellation. That's it. You've now seen how to navigate to Admin, open Account Settings, go to Account Status, and select Cancel My Account with confidence.